Hi there guys, and welcome back. What am I up to today? Well, I have my PCM60X here. While I'm pulling the 12 volt system apart that I had running to change over to 48 volt, I thought it was a good time to replace the LCD module on my PCM60X, which appeared to be faulty. I posted a YouTube video a little while back just so I could show MPP Solar what was going on with it. So when the numbers were just all jumbling up and on the LCD, yeah, so obviously had some kind of fault. Anyway, I communicated with MPP Solar. They were very helpful. They take about 4 days to respond to an email I found, but yeah, very helpful. I showed them the video. They sent me a replacement module, so I'm going to be replacing that today, and I just thought I'd show you guys the process. So it's going to be pretty straightforward, but we'll have a look inside the unit as well. So they sent me a mainboard disassembly guide. I just printed out the first 2 pages, but I'll try and put that PDF in the description so you guys can have that. It tells you all the different parts that may need replacing if yours becomes faulty for any reason. The PCM60X, I think it's a great little unit. For the price especially, you can't really beat it, I don't think. It's got a wide voltage range. I was running it at 12, and it will be used at 48 volt very soon. So yeah. Alright, so I've already undone all the screws here. We have the shroud here, 2 screws, 3 on the base of the main cover. I think it's two on either side, 2 here, 2 on the other side. So let's flip the cover up and have a look what we've got. Yeah, so it looks like we have to maybe undo the earth. I'm not sure if we'll have to or not. Let's have a look. Go this way. What's stopping that there? Okay. Ah, there we go. Okay, so I might undo that earth wire attaching to the case there. It's going to make it easier. It's a bit cold today here in Melbourne. I was meant to be working outside, but I made the executive decision, being the boss, of having the day off, so I'm just enjoying that. I've got my fire going here, and it gives me a chance to do a bit of this sort of thing. So I'll just disconnect this. Can you see that in there? Disconnect this harness to the LCD module, and the case comes off. Excuse me. There we go. There's the case. I'll give you guys a little bit of a look inside. It's a nice solid little unit, I think. It looks to be well made. It's not a big mess in there. Can you guys see that pretty good there? I hope you can see that. Yeah, as I said, it's worked flawlessly for me, apart from that LCD issue, and that's just one of those things that can happen, I think. I'm not too concerned about that, and more importantly the after sales service was there, so that was a good thing. Alright, we'll put that aside. Have a look at our destructions. Yeah, so it's just a matter of unscrewing the faulty module. I don't know if it even actually unscrews. Let's take this harness off. Yep, and just trying to work out how that attaches. I see. It looks like we have little plastic tabs that you have to turn towards the slot. Don't know if you can see that there. These little plastic tabs, they're turned at an angle. If you turn them in line with the slot, it looks like that should do the trick. Let's have a go. So there is no screws. There are no screws, I should say. Yeah, last one. Hopefully it should come off now. Actually, no, it looks like there might be plastic. Are those screws? What are they? Yeah, it looks like it's got plastic Phillips head screws. There you go. See that? Yeah, has 4 plastic Phillips head screws. Not something I've really seen before, but there you go. Okay, looks like we're golden, and probably didn't need to turn those things. I think they should actually stay the way they were turned, like they are on the replacement here. So let's just pop the new one in. Hopefully that's the right way up, I'm pretty sure it is. Okay, put our screws back in. One. So yeah, hopefully in the next week or two I'll have my 48 volt system up and running. Just still deciding on how I'm going to set up the 60 and 100 amp hour Calb cells. It dawned on me the other day that I'm only 4 cells away from having two 16S 60 amp hour packs. So I could have one 100 amp hour and 2 60 amp hour packs. I need another 4 60 amp hour cells and they would probably cost me more than all the batteries in total have cost me. But yeah, that's another option I could do, which would give me a good bit more capacity, definitely. Alright, so we've got those screws, just make sure they're tight. Don't want to over tighten them. I don't think they need to be super tight. They are just plastic screws after all. Yeah, and they do just tighten to a certain point, and then they will click around. So not really thread, but yeah. Alright, so I've got those in. Get our unit back. Plug the module back in. A little bit awkward, not too bad. Just have to hold your tongue the right way. There we go, that's home. Alright, I won't bore you with attaching the earth strap and putting the cover back together, but yeah, hopefully that's useful to you guys out there. Yeah, like I said, I'll try and put the PDF for the full disassembly guide in the description. Yeah. Alright guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye now.